Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Oden and I live in Washington, New Jersey. I'm originally from South Carolina and I moved to New Jersey about 3 years ago when I started the Rutgers program. I love to read and paint. I have a French bulldog named Ziggy. This is my last semester in the program before I graduate. My field placement is at the Domestic Abuse and Sexual Assault Crisis Center in Warren County. That is also where I work, so it is a work-study program. I work there full-time, 40 hours a week, and then I intern those hours for my internship as well, doing something different than my job. As far as professional experience, I have worked for the Domestic Abuse and Sexual Assault Crisis Center for almost 2 years, and primarily I help the women in our safe house transition back into the community or work towards self-sufficiency. I also do some advocacy for restraining orders, and I am part of the sexual assault on-call team for if someone goes to the hospital when they are assaulted. As far as my future goals with my degree, I want to stay in this field, absolutely. I hope to continue working in the field of domestic violence and sexual assault, maybe getting a little more into the prevention work, but eventually I do want to get my LCSW and practice counseling full-time. So that's kind of what I plan to do. So this course should be right up my alley, and I have a good bit of experience, and I hope that it will help me with this course. Thanks.